Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Alouche. I'm the practice owner here at Broadway Dental of Pearland. What I love to do, I love to travel. I try to travel at least to one national park a year. My last one was actually Yosemite National Park. And it's actually one of my favorites. One of the reasons why I decided to open a practice here down in Pearland was actually the growth of the community. I wanted to be part of a growing community. The demographics here, people are very nice. The people I've met so far, everyone has been fantastic. It's relatively close to the medical center, and sometimes we get to work with certain physicians, certain practices in the medical center, which is about 15 minutes away from here. So that's been a very big asset for us. The reason why I got into dentistry, my background and my interest has always been being in healthcare and science. The other side and the other interest that I've always had since I was a child was actually being in art. I do like drawing, I love art, and anything that involves dexterity skills. I even draw caricatures, so that was also one of my passions. So dentistry got me that very nice balance and combination of both worlds, especially when it comes to planning and designing people's teeth and people's mouths. So there's a lot of artistic components to it, and at the same time there's a lot of scientific reasoning behind your planning. When you're doing these cosmetic cases, especially anything that involves front teeth, you see how much improvement these patients get in their self-confidence. So we always see that on a daily basis, and that's very rewarding for us being in the healthcare field. One of the major problems we have in the dental world nowadays is the loss of personal touch or personal relationship with your doctor, with your clinician, with your dentist. It's crucial for us to build that personal relationship between even our staff and our team members and our patients. So when patients leave our practice, our goal is to make sure that two things are checked off. The first thing is patient's comfort. We want to make sure that the patients are leaving the practice with the highest level of comfort during their visits and during their experience. We provide everything we can provide in the treatment rooms to make sure that the visit is stress-free and is as comfortable as possible. The second priority is clarity. When the patient leaves the practice at the end of their visit, we always want to make sure that the patient's questions were answered properly, in depth and details, and the reasoning of the treatment was explained to them properly by me or by my clinical team, and also the transparency of the financial aspect of the treatment as well. We always want to make sure that patients are fully aware of their visits and fully aware of the treatment and what needs to be done at the end of that visit. I'm a fellow of the Academy of General Dentistry and associate fellow of the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. And for both of them, the requirements for you to become a credentialed member, they require a long series of examinations, clinical and academic achievements, and luckily I've been very involved with both academies, and I'm very fortunate to be part of their organizations. One of the most beautiful things about dentistry is building the personal relationships with patients. I'm very excited to be a part of your dental journey, to provide you the best quality care and the most comfortable experience in a dental practice.